is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here again with this beautiful 2001 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to continue our restoration. In the last video, we took this sucker all apart. We cleaned it all up, shined it all up. We had a little trouble with the bed, trying to get the bed off. And so we're going to try to do that today. JP, he got a little mad with the hammer, and he went at it right there pretty good. Just like kapow, you know, just ka-chow. Look at that. But we're gonna get this bed off. We're gonna get this truck some love. We're just gonna get going with it. So let's hop to it, get the torch out, and burn these bolts out. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a brand new day. We're here with our beautiful 2001 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive. And what we've done here in the last video, we kind of got the bed ready to come off. And so now we got it off. We got to deal with a little bit of surface rust on this frame. Not too bad for, you know, a 20-year-old truck. Actually a lot better than what we thought. So we're sitting here in pretty good shape. Today what we're going to try to do is we're going to jump in here and we're going to get some of that surface rust off and try to see what we've got there. That's a good place to start. And I think what we need to do is over here where that car at Walmart, they just got in here and opened their door up and hit our rocker here. So we're going to try to deal with that. That's what we're going to try to work on today, but we thought it might be fun to jump in this thing, maybe ride it around a little bit and see what it does. So let's hop to it.
Oh, arms wired yourself here. Go see if this Toyota's got any power.
Heat her up. All right, here goes JP, about to burn it down. that. Look at that. Ain't nothing in the world wrong with that. A little bit of surface rust. All right, so JP, he tried to stud this back out, and that did not work. We figured it might not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld this little plate right here, and then we'll put this clamp on it like that, and we're gonna try to jerk it out that way. That might not work either. That's what we're gonna try. So we're gonna get it welded on and give it a shot. That was a lot of fun right there, old JP. He's just dragging this old compressor right around. We're having some air problems here at the shop. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this as a storage tank for right now because it don't run. We get a new compressor coming. JP ordered a new one, but right now we're gonna plumb it in, and hopefully those two suckers down there can bring us some air into this tank, give us enough volume that we need for this side of the shop. So that's what we're working on. We're gonna hop to it. JP, he's been out to Home Depot buying a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna get that going right now. Man, me and JP, we made quick work of that. CC had to leave, had to go do something, but we got us another reservoir to hold some of this pressure, help this side of the shop. So I'll take you in and check it all out. Looky there. We got us another reservoir in there. You cannot beat that. Cannot beat that with the stick. Man, I felt like I was at Daytona on the front row just there. All right, man, we have had so much fun with this truck today. The poor old right rear tire, we just about burned him off and smoked it down today. JP, he just got in it, got it good and hot again, got him good and sticky, and we got it out and we ripped it around a little bit. Tried to do some donuts, you know, just to have a little fun. We didn't have much luck at getting it to break loose, but we still had a heck of a lot of fun today. What we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about this truck. We worked on this rocker a little bit. We got that heading our way. And then JP, he went around and marked where we got to block this down. We got a little dent here. We got a little bit up here on the hood that we're gonna work out. Not a lot, you know, just some stuff we gotta work out right here. And then I don't know, this is that tacky rubber that we just got all down the side. That'll wash right off. But there's a couple of spots here that we gotta fix up on this truck. Nothing major. I mean, nothing major on this side. And then we set in with some wire brushes and stuff. And we got this frame rail headed our way. I mean, it was just surface rust. It's really, for a 2001 Toyota, this frame is in really, really good shape because Toyota had some frame trouble back in them years. They wound up buying a bunch of trucks back from folks because they just rusted plumbing too. Right here, people pick them up, put them on the lift, and the bed breaks down and falls off. I mean, that's just what happens. But we got this thing headed our way. Everything is going good. We got JP another little reservoir out there. Got him a place ready for when his new compressor comes to control that side of the shop. Everything's gonna be good. We just had a lot of fun today. Just a lot of fun. We're gonna call this a wrap for today. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave us a good comment down below. Until next time, we're out.